We should be very active and continue to do things, and we've actually got a couple of really big things we're trying to plan with industry, and there were about 600 companies. All of those companies displaying their latest and greatest technologies.
I already had a discussion with several speakers, and we were planning for some collaboration in research in the future. I heard several speakers talking about how we can include in AI in research, and this is one of the things that I'm interested in. So that inspires me and gave me some new ideas that I will also think of exploring.
That's for the collaborators to decide, but the ball has been set in motion. There was an MOU signed at the onset, and this is a very good step in the right direction. I, for one, would be reaching out regularly for opportunities to collaborate, and among the speakers and presenters, I could sense that my sentiments are shared.